Good evening students, welcome back in our art session. In previous session we had seen alphabets, 3D alphabets, right students? Today we are going to start our next topic, and next topic is group of object drawing. Okay? Before starting our new topic, first you will write topic name, date, day in index, and then you will come on main page, right student? Main page means right side page. Okay, just tell me, what is object? Right, object means man-made or natural things, right students? Means you can say bucket, mug, flower, fruits, vegetables, any bag, umbrella, anything. Okay, so those things means object, and these are the separate objects, right? But here what we'll do, we'll make their group of these objects and we'll arrange their one still life. Here I am showing one example. Same example you have to draw. Okay, then if you want to practice, so you can draw by yourself from a textbook. I think you have that textbook, elementary, intermediate, grade exam book. So from the book you can draw, but first you will draw same what I am showing now. Okay, so neatly, carefully watch this video, so you will get step by step how to draw objects. Okay student, so first, before starting object drawing, we'll draw margin. First you will hold your pencil in your 4 fingers. Then here without scale we'll draw margin. Can you see here all side getting same space? Okay, so when you will start your topic, always first draw margin. Now here we'll write topic name. Okay, now what are objects we'll draw? We want group of those objects. So here first we'll make them their place. Means first we'll decide where we'll draw and how much big we want that. Okay, so from the margin you will leave their 3 finger space. Okay, and we'll draw here one broom, one bucket, cloth and mug. I'll show you how to draw step by step. So here we'll leave their 3 finger space. Now you can keep your 4 fingers. Don't take in middle. Take little bit left side or right side. Okay, and then mark their dots or lines till here. So this is our bucket space. Then here back side we'll draw one line. Okay, so here what we are showing, we divided their space. This is the ground and this is the back side space. Okay, now here one side will show broom. So very roughly you will just draw the shape. Afterwards we'll show detail work. Now here from the bucket we'll show one cloth. We are calling that drapery. So for the drapery, here also use light line only and don't show it like a flying. Okay, show it neatly, means it's coming from the bucket and it's stable on your base. Then here one side will show mug. Okay, so this is and here I'll show one fruit or vegetable. Okay, so here we have decided space for the objects. Now we'll show detail work. When you will start detail work, always draw complete object. If you use shortcut, see here, I will overlap mug and I will overlap mug on that bucket, right? This portion we can't see, but then also bucket we have to draw complete. Then only we'll get it proportionate. Okay, so for bucket we'll use 3 strips. Here I am drawing little bit dark lines because you have to see that. When you will start, draw light picture because afterwards extra line will rub. So here oval shape. Okay students, then first strip. Have you seen bucket? Observe it, you will get idea how to draw. So here first strip is ready. For second part we'll leave your space, both the side equal space, and don't make it cross, take it little bit slanting. Okay, then here till here we want bucket, right? So here we'll draw that line and one more overlap, oval shape. Okay, so first part, second part and third part. For third part again here we'll leave some same space and then we'll make it, here we'll make oval shape. Okay, so here we'll show this much part, means your dustbin is ready. Okay, but if you will show your handle, so you'll get the bucket. Okay students, now this drawing is ready. Now we'll see broom. Have you seen broom? It's getting little bit bigger. So here show handle. This broom, it is on one surface, right? So show there that okay. Now we'll draw mug. Mug is getting similar to the bucket or dustbin only. first strip, second part, here mug will show little bit bigger because this is the first object, so you can show big but not like a bucket or dustbin. Okay, now handle. For handle, it's very simple method. Draw their lines, 3 lines, then okay, now mug also ready. Now we'll see this vegetable or fruit. This is papaya, okay. Afterwards, in shading we'll show detail work. Here drapery. See, first also I said don't show it like moving, okay, show it stable on surface. See, if we'll see here drapery, it is on one surface, so like that folds we have to show on our drapery. Okay students, now our drawing is ready, pencil work is ready. Now we'll rub all extra parts, all extra lines, okay. See students, rub it carefully, don't rub drawing. Whatever extra lines, those lines only have to rub. If you see here, mug is first object and bucket is second object, means backside object. So whatever we are getting here, that bucket drawing, that we have to rub. Okay, so you will rub here. Now here drapery is overlap on bucket, so here we'll rub all extra lines. Now see, with pencil only make it proper. Okay, don't use any marker, any sketch pen for outline. With pencil, just complete it. Okay students, now here our drawing is ready. Okay, and in next session we'll see how to complete with pencil shading. Okay students, don't use marker or sketch pen, right students? Till here complete your work, and then we'll see shading, right? So I'll show you how to take light from one side, then where you'll get light tone, where you'll get dark tone. First we'll learn in pencil shading, and then afterwards we'll learn drawing and color work. Okay, first if we learn here pencil shading, so easily we'll get idea how to complete with color, dark tone, light tone. Okay students, so complete till here only pencil work, and next session we'll see how to complete with shades. Okay, so thank you student, and take care.